Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you are a student, entrepreneur, or professional, today we are diving into Notion, a powerful productivity tool that can revolutionize the way you organize your life and work. In this video, we will explore the ins and outs of Notion, from its fundamental features to advanced techniques. So let us jump right in. Now, let us talk about getting Notion onto your device. Whether you are on a computer or a phone, it is a breeze. Simply visit notion.so, and right at the top of the page, you will find the download section. From there, you can grab the app for iOS, Android, Mac, or Windows. Once you have downloaded the app, it is time to sign up. Don't worry, it is a quick process. Just enter your email address and Notion will take care of the rest. And guess what? The free version offers a ton of features. But if you find yourself needing more, there is always the option to upgrade. When you first open Notion, you'll be greeted with an onboarding process. Think of it as a friendly guide to help you navigate the app. They might ask you a few basic questions, but feel free to skip through if you prefer. Let us take a relaxed stroll through Notion setup. Imagine, on the left side of your screen, there is a menu where all your pages hang out. Want to add a new page? It is a piece of cake. Just click on the icon and presto, you've got yourself a fresh page to work with. Now, think of this blank page as a clean slate, waiting for your ideas. Type in a title, hit enter, and you are off to the races. But here is the fun part. Notion isn't just plain old paper. It is like paper with superpowers. You can jazz things up with different styles, like big headings or neat to-do list. And if you're in a hurry, there are shortcuts to make things even quicker. But why stop there? Notion also sets or lets you organize stuff neatly. Just click that plus sign in the menu and boom, you've got a subpage, like a smaller page inside a big one. It is like building a cool fort with secret rooms. So go ahead, let your ideas flow, and make your Notion space your own little digital paradise. It is easy peasy. Alright, buckle up because we are about to embark on a journey into the fascinating realm of editing content with Notion. It is like wielding a digital paintbrush to craft your masterpiece with endless possibilities at your fingertips. First things first, let us talk about the basics. Adding and editing text in Notion is about as straightforward as it gets. Just click your cursor wherever you want to start typing, and away you go. It is just like using any other document editor, but with a twist. A treasure trove of features eagerly awaiting your command. Now, let us talk about highlighting text. When you do, a magical formatting menu appears, ready to transform your words into whatever style your heart desires. It is like having your own personal stylist for your content. But wait, there is more. Every piece of content you add in Notion is called a block. Text, images, videos, even databases. They are all examples of blocks. And guess what? Adding blocks is a breeze. You can either click the plus sign to summon forth a new block, or you can unleash the power of slash commands. Picture this, effortlessly structuring your text without ever lifting a finger off the keyboard. It is like conducting a symphony of content creation with just the flick of your wrist. Whether you are brainstorming, organizing, or just tweaking your layout, this feature makes it a breeze to get things just right. But that is not all. Brace yourself for the power of advanced keyboard shortcuts. These shortcuts are like secret codes that unlock a whole new level of efficiency in your editing endeavors. With just a few key presses, you can navigate, format, and manipulate your content with the finesse of a seasoned pro. It is like having a supercharged editing toolkit right at your fingertips, ready to elevate your Notion experience to new heights. Now that you have got the hang of creating content in Notion, let us shift gears and delve into the art of organization within your digital workspace. Picture your sidebar as your trusty command center, where all the pages in your workspace come together in harmony. Whether you are flying solo or collaborating with a team, Notion's nesting feature ensures that everything finds its rightful place. Imagine this. You can effortlessly drag and drop pages, rearrange them, or nest them within each other to create a structure that perfectly aligns with your workflow. It is like building your very own digital filing cabinet, with each page neatly categorized and easily accessible whenever you need it. Need to group related pages together? No problem. Just nest them under a parent page and watch as your workspace takes on a whole new level of organization. But what if you need to find something in a hurry? Fear not, for Notion's powerful search tool has got your back. Simply type in a keyword or phrase and watch as Notion works its magic, surfacing the most relevant pages and content in an instant. It is like having your own personal assistant, ready to help you find exactly what you are looking for, exactly when you need it. But wait, there is more to the Notion experience than just content creation and organization. Let us talk about kickstarting your projects and seamlessly importing content from other apps with the help of templates and importing capabilities. Think of templates as your handy starting point for any project, whether you are planning a trip, organizing a brainstorming session, or setting up a project timeline. Notion's got a template ready and waiting for you. It is like having a blueprint to guide you through the initial stages of your project, ensuring that you hit the ground running. But what if you have already got content scattered across different apps and platforms? Notion's importing capabilities have got you covered. Whether it is documents from Google Drive, tasks from Trello, or notes from Evernote, you can seamlessly bring them all into Notion with just a few clicks. It is like gathering all your scattered puzzle pieces and assembling them into a cohesive picture within your Notion workspace. And here is the best part. With the ability to resize or hide your sidebar, you are always in control of your workspace. Need a little extra screen real estate to focus on your content? Simply resize or hide the sidebar with a quick click. And lo and behold, you've got a clutter-free canvas to work with. It is like customizing your workspace to fit your unique needs and preferences, ensuring that you stay productive and focused no matter what. And let us not forget about the AI updates menu, your trusty companion for staying in the loop. With this handy feature, you'll never miss a beat, as it keeps track of all the changes and updates made within your workspace in real time. It is like having a personal assistant who keeps you updated on everything happening behind the scenes, so you can focus on moving your projects forward with confidence. And there you have it. With Notion, the possibilities are endless. From content creation to organization and collaboration, we've got everything you need to supercharge your productivity. So why wait? Start your Notion journey today and see the difference it can make for you and your team. Remember, you can always start with a template and customize it to fit your needs. Thank you for watching and happy Notioning!